Hello, good evening. Today is February 27. So it's 4 days to go. And as you can see, ang gulo ng bahay pero ayan, nakapack na kami ng dalawang malaking luggage at dalawang maliit. Kahit seems kulang pa. Hindi pa kami tapos mag-ayos.
Good morning. So today is March 4. It's the day that we escaped the Philippines. It's a day of our trip going somewhere. So ngayon po yung aming galis. So it's our last breakfast here. Kahapon birthday niya.
Yeah. We have this cake from yesterday's celebration.
Thank you sa mga bumate at mga nag-wish. Ito pala yung dala namin.
Then,
Here. So we'll have 4 luggages and 2 hand carry bags. Lahat sila mabibigat.
good luck.
So, yeah. See you later, airport. And bon voyage. Hello, vlog. So, we're preparing now. Yeah, plan namin umalis ng maaga daw. Gabi pa yung flight namin. Just to be sure. So, magkaroon man ng traffic and anything. So, we're prepared na. So, yan again. Yun yung mga luggage namin. Hopefully, wala na kami nakalimutan. So, see you sa airport later. We're here na sa airport. Medyo maaga kami pero mas okay nang maaga kaysa late.
OA kami eh.
Thank you Grace and Archie sa paghatid sa amin dito sa airport. So, shoutout po sa aming family. Nandito na po kami sa airport.
Over baggage kami guys. Oh my God.
Yeah, so pinag-iisipan namin kung magdadagdag lang ba kami ng baggage o mag-upgrade na talaga kami. Time check is 5:30. Ang flight pa namin is 11:30. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa yung pag-aantay namin. Pero, ox lang. Nag-add na rin kami online ng baggage kasi sobrang bigat ng mga dala namin. So, yun. Hindi pa rin nagpapastart ng check-in. According sa ticket namin, mga 7:30 pa daw yung start ng check-in ng baggage. So, until then, dito kami, tambay. So, nakapagpapalit na rin pala kami ng euro. Basically, 30,000 pesos plus 190 US dollar yung pinapalitan namin for the euro. So, yun, meron na kami ng mga cute na pera na euro. Just in case lang. Tsaka, yeah, marami kaming pagagamitan nun pagdating sa Spain. finally nakalampas na kami sa immigration, sa pinakamahirap na part ng pag-alis ng Pilipinas. So, yep. Dito kami ngayon sa A-Lounge. Papahinga ng konti dahil medyo matagal yung pinag-antay namin doon. Matagal kami nakatayo. At mabibigat yung bag namin. So sa MJ ngayon ay kukuha ng pagkain. Kape muna kami dito. Ipon ng konting lakas kasi yung flight pa namin ay 11:30. Time now is 8:43. So basically 3 hours. So ito po. Kakain na kami.
Matakaw ako eh. I
Salita
love
ka
food.
muna.
I love food. This is a soup. I forgot the name. Barley and vegetable soup. I think. And this is marinara pasta.
Aha.
And salad, and quesadillas, and mixed sausage.
Basically, nakalibre kami dito kasi piso lang binayad namin sa credit card. So thankfully, umabot yung credit card ko na kanina lang dumating.
Shout out. Security bank.
Shout out, Security Bank. Thank you.
So my husband got some siomai. You're gonna miss that? Wala ba niyan sa Spain?
Wala ba?
I don't know. It's very Asian eh.
Meron yan. Okay, we're boarding.
Right side. Right. Gusto ng business.
Next time, business class.
Next time we experience that.
Bye. Good evening.
And welcome back, Mr. Juad.
Yes.
Thank you much.
Thank you.
Enjoy your flight, Mr. Juad.
So, this is the final stage ng pagtakas namin sa Pilipinas.
Grabe, final stage.
I mean, final stage sa Philippines. So, yeah. This is flight EK335, tama ba? Bound to Dubai. From Dubai, lilipat po kami ng airplane bound to Madrid. So, see you there. It will be a 8 to 9 hours flight. Good luck sa ano. Ito yung first time na mag-flight kami ng mahaba. First time more than 4 hours flight. First time sa Europe. First time everything.
Good luck.
Just landed in Dubai. How's you doing?
Thank you, Lord. We're safe. Parang nawalan ako ng boses. Paos yata ako. Bakit ganun?
Sumigaw ka ba kanina?
We survived the 9-hour flight. Next, 8 hours.
Time check, 4:47.
Tama ba? Nag-adjust na ba yung time natin?
Yep.
Oh, Mine's not yet.
Connecting flight namin is 7 something. Wala pa tayong gate.
Well, we have to check the screen.
Okay, we have to check daw. So for now, we have to follow the red signs. Okay, left.
Yeah.
Then right.
Then right. Ayan. A10. EK 141, 725. A10 nga.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
Let's go.
Madrid is still
EK 141.
ano?
EK 141. Flight EK 141. Gate A10.
There. Yeah. Oh dear. Ano ka masasabi mo sa vlogs?
Can say anything. Sakit ng puwet ko. That's the longest flight I've ever had. That's 9 hours, right?
Yeah.
And another 8 hours from Dubai to Madrid. No one is going to sit in this layover. Nagatang ba? Hindi na talaga ako lalaki.
So ano, tuloy pa ba natin yung maglalakad? Please.
Not with these bags. Laptops, all the gadgets.
Hindi, akala ko isasakay naman natin yung ano, yung sa...
Sa luggage pwede.
So yun, sobrang dali namang sundan kasi may signage naman siya. So dito tayo. Or according sa legend, madalas daw magbago ang assignment ng gate dito. So, should always double check sa board kung nagbago na ba o hindi.
Screen. Let's see. Here.
May board
Mamaya
dito.
nasa A10 na tayo tapos hindi pala na doon. Ano.
This airplane, colorful. It's the art of the magic. And see you there. We're here na sa plane bound to Madrid, Spain. Yeah, good morning. Time check. It's 6:57. So, alis na ng 7:25 or 7:41. So, we're expected na nasa Madrid na kami ng by 12 or past 12. Hopefully, hindi siya madelay. And then by then, we'll figure it out. Charot.
Charot.
And sa mga nanonood po nito, salamat po sa pagsama sa aming adventure. Please like and subscribe. Maraming salamat.
More adventures to come.
Anong meron?
Kumot. And then, Unan. And then they have also. They connected here.
Hindi masyado makita. So, meron silang headset.
Yep.
Headset, kumot, plus the entertainment system.
This is how.
But save it. There's a reason for save.
Sa may table.
You know what save is? जमा करो. जमा करता है उसके बाद हमेशा होता है. Now what जमा किया
I have. Oh, you also have yung isa wala.
Yeah. USB and anything. Mabaho.
Mm-hmm. Naman.
Welcome to Madrid. Just landed in Madrid. And here we are.
I think it's really good.
Yeah. Welcome to Madrid, Spain. Here is the famous ceiling of Spain.
Yeah.
Welcome to Madrid, Spain.
Kailangan ko itong kuhanan. Wait lang.
There. From Terminal 4S, we're going to Terminal 4 to pick our baggage. So, inside the train right now.